Welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and behind me is a stunning F82 in this individual Daytona Silk Violet that's got a Remus on it. So behind me you can see we have this stunning 306 horsepower JCW Clubman. These are really popular. As I said on previous vlogs, they are the same as the 135i. The car sitting behind me is actually on now the Eibach 25mm spring kit all the way around. Where this customer lives, he does have quite aggressive bumps and some country lanes, so didn't want to go too low. Paired it up with the Motech MW1 wheels and Michelin Pilot 5 tyres. Absolute cracking combination. And while he was here, he heard the exhaust, had to have it, so we fitted, actually this one runs the Remus Sport exhaust. On these they do the Sport system and of course the Race. Race naturally is a bit more louder, but the Sport is that perfect OEM sort of look and sound to it. With the tailpipe he's gone for the black, it just completes the look. So black wheels, black car, black tailpipes. Let us know what you think. Let's get some revs before and after. So as you can see behind me, I have this stunning F82 M4 in. We still do a lot of these. They're not been overshadowed yet by the G82s, and I'm a big, big fan. And what's really good about this particular car is it's an individual color, and I love an individual color. This one is currently sitting on our Motech Stance spring kit. So it's a 20mm drop all the way around, along with the 12mm space. And as you can see, it sits really perfect. And what I also quite like about this car, it has no carbon fiber on the car bar the roof. It's quite a plain looking, very OEM, very factory looking car. But the customer was a little bit annoyed. Being a 2018 plus car, it's actually 2019, they have the OPF filters in and they are dead quiet from factory, even more so than the previous cars, which are pretty quiet as well. So Remus do an OPF back exhaust, which consists of a mid-res delete and then the race rear box. So basically when the valves are open, so when the car is in Sport Plus mode, it'll act as a complete straight through. So it is really nice. Now, the customer has started to add a few things to it. So you can see the exhausts with the carbon inlay. Does that mean we're actually going to get back in for some carbon fiber? Not sure, but let's see what the car sounds like. Now it's got its Remus on.
So a couple of days later, we've now finished the M3 behind us in Isle of Man green, and what a colour it is. Just like our 1 Series, it looks fantastic. Now coated with Crystal Ultra, top with EXO. We've also got the interior done, the glass done, and the wheels done as well. So this car's now full, ready to go, ready for the weather and whatever hits it in the future. So we're now going to move on to our next job, which is the 5 Series behind us, and that is in for enhancement and full coatings as well. So let's get on to that.